Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to treat skin tag. What I mean by skin tag, the picture will be placed right here or here. You're just going to be seeing different pictures of skin tag, and I'm going to be telling you how you could treat it because I received a message in my comment section. A subscriber is actually asking me how to treat a skin tag in my comment section, and today I'm going to be discussing and also be showing you all the ingredients you are going to be using to treat a skin tag. And these ingredients are very effective and result is visible in 10 days. All right, if you are battling with skin tag, there are things you could use naturally. There are gifts of nature that you could use to treat the skin tag. The skin tag could be caused by bleaching cream, bleaching soap. You might react to some things and skin tag started popping out on your skin. Just trust me, I've got solution to that problem. After using these ingredients I'm about to prepare in this video, the DIY I'm about to show you how you can do it yourself at home, how you can prepare a remedy and or recipe that will treat skin tag on your body, and the result will be visible in 10 days. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed already. Like this video, I beg you. It is important now. That is a sign that you are enjoying our video, and that will also ginger us as a YouTuber to create more of content for you guys to be watching, if that makes sense. Okay, share this video, and yeah, let's get right into the preparation. Okay, so guys, the first ingredient we are going to be working with is lemon. So I'm just going to remove the lemon zest. So the next ingredient we are going to be working with is garlic. Okay, the third ingredient we are going to be using is ginger. Okay, I'm just going to cut it like so. Then make sure you wash it before chopping it like so. Make sure you wash it thoroughly. The next thing I'm going to be adding is apple cider vinegar. Okay, the picture will be inserted on the screen for you to see what apple vinegar is. Okay, I'm just going to pour this much and mix everything together. As you can see, it has been mixed already. So guys, for the usage of this, what you are going to be doing is you are going to take a little bit of the product on your hand and place it on the affected area on your skin. All the places where you are experiencing skin tag, just place it on it like this. In the morning, in the night, just do it religiously for good 10 days, and trust me, you are going to thank me later, because this recipe is very, very effective when we are talking about skin tag. All right, okay, this is how you are going to place it on the affected area every day. You are going to place it for 30 minutes or more. Okay, put it there till it dry on the affected area. Okay, then you go and wash it off in the bathroom. All right, so use this for 10 days and trust me, you are going to thank me later, because this remedy, this DIY is very, very effective for skin tag. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. I hope you like this video. I hope this video has impacted you with knowledge about how to treat and tackle skin tag on your skin. Or if you know anybody that has it, you could easily give this recipe out to them for them to use, and trust me, you are going to thank me later. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to share, make sure to like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.